But it looks like they broke out. Freedom! Alright guys, we're now in what looks like... I have no idea. There's tons of beds here, really springy. So maybe this was the dorm area? I'm not sure. Alright guys, so we've just come in. This is a sick bathroom. Whoa. What is this thing? It's like... So that's a shower. But what is this? What is this, Alex?
No clue.
It's where they take out the brains. And this is the bathtub. You know, this looks like the place where they did the Inception movie, where they threw him in the bathtub.
Kind of
Looks like that, yeah. This is sick. A lot of broken glass, broken windows. Like gates on the floor too, which is weird. Whoa, this place looks like it was like burned down. No, this looks like the first Nazi zombies map. There's all kinds of pallets, and these are the windows that you fight them off at. That's sweet. I love just the decay all over the place. Like, look, this is inside a building. There's this little leaf growing. There's just a bunch of straw in here. All the beds. Wow. Someone's shoes were left here too. Looks like a farm. All bedrooms. So just came out onto the roof here, and you can see all the paths that lead to the other buildings. It's pretty sweet. There's like 5 or 6 of them. There's a toilet in the tub. You never see beds intact like that anymore. Well, not intact, but... Just got into another building. You can tell this one's going to be good because the first thing you see when you walk in is this satanic symbol, and up there written in red it says death. Death. So you know it's going to be a good place. Just lots of rust and wood. You found the basement? Oh. That's where people get killed. That's where they are. You test it out. See how it is?
Why am I always the bait?
Because you can run fast.
Bullshit, I can't.
You were on the track team.
4 years ago.
4 years more than me. Come on in.
Come on.
Yeah, just a bunch of parts keeping the place together. Nothing.
Keeping it together.
Keeping it together. Nothing too exciting. Just your typical AC unit with tentacle arms. What do you got? Ah, yes, important paperwork.
Yeah, they put up the plaster walls there.
Oh, yeah.
So, but then people just go through.
Yeah. So Alex was telling me that these walls are put up here to make it look like there's nothing here, but people busted them down, and that's the stairs that go up and the stairs that go down to the basement right there. This room has seen better days. No, it always looked like this.
This is its prime, man.
There's a lot of light in this room. A lot. But not any other room.
On the other side, you'll get some more. It's the same thing, but blue.
That looks awesome.
What?
That stump.
Yeah, right? They're like, these guys are just having the ball put.
Who's the guy who's like, yo, we got all these extra stumps. Let's just throw them in the second floor window. And that had to come from the outside too, because how it is.
Oh yeah.
So it's like,
Oh, they're just taking stumps and throwing them through the window.
who's throwing these massive stumps through the second story?
Folks have target practice.
Yeah. Which nail do you want me to step on?
That one.
That one. So I'm just not gonna go in there.
Yeah, good idea.
Whoa! That's cool. So if this giant thing here, giant air ventilation unit wasn't here, this would definitely be a cool attic if you could renovate it a little. I'd stay up here.
Like wood's still good.
Yeah, look at this wood looks nice in the pictures.
Prime wood.
In the pictures, it's like
Wait, yeah, then
prime. This stupid stand in my backpack just keeps getting caught on everything. So Alex is climbing it, so I figured I might as well. There's a stair missing. That's okay. I don't think we've been on this floor up here. We don't know how to get there. The only way we see fit is this window, which Alex said he would volunteer.
What? Yeah.
Said he would volunteer to climb into. Here, I'll do it. See, I'm like the guy in Ocean's 11 who's like going over the lasers.
I would try and step on that. I think you're good. Oh. You good?
All right.
It's actually really beautiful.
So we found stairs going down. There's all these things right here.
These are the stairs that we didn't go up.
Oh, okay. So it looks like the kid from Home Alone like put these here, like we're supposed to fall. Like he wants us to just trip.
What is in here though?
I don't even know what these things are. They look like pill bottle caps.
That could be it.
I think that's what they are. I don't know why you need so many pill bottle caps. Jesus. Alright guys, so that is the last part of the kind of tour of all the insane asylums here. There's a lot of insane asylums in the New England area, it seems like.
How to get to them all?
Yeah, so this is like our 50th insane asylum.
50th?
50th insane asylum.
Exactly 50, okay.
Yeah, so that's it for today. If you want to follow Alex, I'll have his links down in the link below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.